rolling hills of a verdant countryside, where lush meadows stretched as far as the eye could see, lived a flock of mischievous sheep. Led by their spirited leader Willie, they spent their days frolicking amidst the swaying grass and fragrant wildflowers. From dawn till dusk, the meadow echoed with the sound of their laughter and playful bleats as they indulged in their favorite pastimes. Whether it was playing tag, jumping over fences, or simply rolling down the gentle slopes, the sheep found endless joy in their carefree antics. One sunny morning, as the golden rays bathed the meadow in a warm embrace, Willie gathered his flock for their daily adventure. "Let's explore the forest beyond the hills today," he exclaimed, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Eager cheers erupted from the flock as they bounded eagerly after their fearless leader. Through fields of swaying wheat and babbling brooks, they journeyed, their fluffy white coats dancing in the breeze. As they entered the dense woodland, the air was alive with the chatter of birds and the rustle of leaves. Yet, undeterred by the unfamiliar surroundings, Willie pressed on, his adventurous spirit driving him forward. Their exploration led them to hidden glens, where sunlight filtered through the canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. They discovered secret clearings adorned with vibrant flowers, where they paused to graze and bask in the tranquil beauty of nature. But their escapades were not without mishaps. At one point, they stumbled upon a burrow inhabited by a family of rabbits, who scolded them for disturbing their peace. Undeterred, the sheep apologized profusely before continuing on their journey, their hearts filled with a newfound respect for their forest neighbors. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the treetops, Willie knew it was time to return home. Leading his weary but contented flock back to the meadow, he reflected on the day's adventures with a sense of fulfillment. Back in their familiar surroundings, the sheep gathered in a circle beneath the twinkling stars, recounting their favorite moments from their woodland adventure. With each tale shared, their bonds grew stronger, weaving a tapestry of friendship that would endure for years to come. And as they drifted off to sleep amidst the soft rustle of grass and the gentle hum of crickets, the mischievous sheep dreamed of new adventures yet to come, knowing that with Willie leading the way, their journey would always be filled with joy and excitement.